back, and she is fully charged. It's also been about 4 days. So here we are. I just left it plugged in, and once it's fully charged, the light will go out. There we go. Alright. I just put it on top of that. That helped take care of the whole mess. I'm going to put it right up there with that. Alright. So here we are. She's fully charged. I have not even tried to attempt to put it on my head yet, or even fired up. So it's that over. And we'll flip over into the other mode here. Okay, looking at it from this direction now. Got your bottom set here. It's these two buttons here. We got 9 is a back button. Shoot your arrow. The FN is number 10 is your function button. And then the got a 12 linking status indicator. Hold on here. And then number 10, and you get the little spinner here, and that is 13, which is the interpupillary distance knob. So it must be, by adjusting that, you adjust your vision inside. Your side, this side here, that's number 1. That's your touchpad. And then jump to 6. This is your speaker. And 8. It jumps all over the place. 8. Battery level. Speaker. Okay, so it takes care of that. 3. Charging status indicator. And 2 is, of course, the headband adjuster. What's that top thing here? Top thing. 16, we're down here. Headband buckle. Okay, yeah, that's right. And on the other side of this, we're going to 17s. 17 heat vent. And then you got this down below here. So it's got all the plugs in it. Okay, pop that out. Yep, sure does. That's got a ear speaker, a place for a card, and then your other one. An SD card goes in there. Your earplugs go in there, and then you've got HDMI port, which is going to be the smaller. Smaller plug. Here's a setup I got. Which one I probably going to need. This one here probably goes in there. Like I said, this is an HDMI cable here. Yep, there you go. Perfect. And then the other side is going to go into, it would probably go into my other setup right there. the Phantom Pro HDMI into this one here. Awesome. Okay, so takes care of that. Okay, let's get back inside here. There's your power. Okay, so that takes care of all those. HDMI. It's a headband. So then we did that and I did that. And then so you can see outside. Adjust the preliminary distance thing. That's this one here. And adjust. Yeah, adjust the distance on it. and adjust the distance on it. Alright. Let's see what we got. You can see that you're looking at me. There's got to be a way to make it darker or lighter in this, and I gotta figure that out. And we'll flip over into the other mode here. Alright, now. Yeah. And flip to this. Here's your adjusting head adjuster. And then you adjust it back down. Let's see. We'll put it on. Wow. This was definitely somebody that has a big head. And that's as low as it goes. Huh. Well, it's definitely not going to hit. You're definitely not going to have a 13-year-old child put this on their head. I got my bald head, but you can see I'm going to put my fingers right here. There's no more adjustment. So we're going to have to find something to take up that extra gap. Oh yeah. Well, let's try my retired Navy hat. Turn around backwards. Maybe that'll give me enough play, huh? Yeah, it's a little better play. I don't know if that's going to interfere. So here we go. Take it down. Okay. The skirt's good. Let me turn around with the light behind me. Okay, I'm in total darkness. That's pretty good. I'm in pretty good darkness. I would say total darkness. I got a small face too, so this might be okay for a child's face, but you'd have to figure out some way to make this smaller on the head. Maybe a what we call a watch cap. It's just a black wool cap go over his head. I don't know. Maybe DJI's got something. I haven't even looked to see if they got anything. It is riding on my nose a little bit. That's facing the camera now. It was riding on my nose a little bit. Yeah. If I shake my head, it rubs on my nose. Okay. Yeah. It's How hard of a surface is that? Yeah. A little hard. It's rubber, but it is thin. Keep it out away from my nose. Got light underneath. Okay, let's see what I get for light or system. Okay, there's a DDD when it fires up. Woo! Dude. Alright, we're in here. Okay, when you look at this screen, you're not gonna notice, you're not gonna pay any attention to outside, I don't think. DJI. Okay, it's gonna give you all of these little systems in here. Let's see. Where's the other cap here? Maybe I can. We're gonna go inside, maybe. There we go. Maybe. You okay? There we go. Left, right. You okay? You got this. Left, right. You got this. Counter over. Stick it in one eye. Okay, yeah. Stick it in one eye. Inside. That's what it looks like inside. Alright. Alright. Okay. Oh shoot, okay. These fingers. Where am I? No, I don't want Japanese. Oh, that blew it. Oh no. Where is that thing? Where's that monitor? I gotta figure out what I'm touching. You blew it. No. I gotta go back. Doggone it. I don't know what I'm touching. No. I gotta go back. Oh, this is I need to go back. What am I touching? I went past whatever it was. Let me shut it down, start over again. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna try letter. It sent me into. Shot me right into languages, and I wound up down Japanese and it went in. So we're gonna try it again.